So here you go. Here's kind of a hint at what it all looks like. Deal storming is a 7-step process. And as you move through the process, you've taken the brainstorming concept and made it relevant to your sales challenges. You qualify the opportunity as worthy of collaboration, meaning worthy of pulling other people off their job. And for small business managers in the room, I know that's very important to you, but you want to manage your internal resources, and it's important you want to qualify those collaboration opportunities. You organize your team around a mission. You don't ask people to come to a conference room or jump on a phone call. That sounds like getting a root canal. You ask them to join a team with a very, very big cause. You ask yourself, who has a stake in the outcome, and who's an expert about our problem? You prepare them with a deal brief. The deal brief would explain the challenge, who you're talking to, what has or hasn't worked, and what you think the problem is on the deal. And as you give them that deal brief days out, they'll incubate creative ideas. In the URL I'm going to give you later, I'm also including in this folder for you a template for how to write a deal brief. Because, to quote Louis Pasteur, chance favors the prepared mind. I want to just look at step number 4. That's the convene step. It's important to run meetings that are effective. And when you're sitting around the table discussing a solution to a sales challenge, whatever it is, can't get in the front door, can't make a deal pencil for high ROI, can't convince them to move forward, your solution discussion, it looks like the aperture of a camera. In the beginning, everyone offers their ideas, and they open. We don't debate, we just figure out what the key assumption is behind their idea. Then as we narrow the discussion, we eliminate ideas that have poor assumptions, or we look to combine 2 average ideas to create a workable solution. In my experience, almost 3 out of 4 times the breakthrough idea was 2 average ideas combined by the session leader. Then finally, you rank the ideas from the hottest to the cold. You choose an idea that everyone could live with. You identify who's going to work on what, and that is your next play. And this is really one of the last things I want to point out about collaboration. The purpose of a meeting is not to have another meeting. The purpose of a meeting is not for everybody to be heard. When you're trying to solve sales problems, the purpose of a meeting is to figure out what the next play is and set it into motion. Because a done deal is a collection of problems solved by a team.